Hi, welcome to my channel. This video today I'm showing you some of my restoration work that I can do for customers. Sometimes blades get damaged, dropped, chipped. Right, so this one is one of my favourites makers, Samuel Pearson, dated around 1840, 1850, and here is a blade. This is for a customer in Melbourne, Australia, all along the tang here, and this side was virtually all black, and the same on the other side. So I've had to grind it back to the metal and then polish it on the blade again, so it's now shave ready. That's the point of this test. I don't have to shave ready because I know it is ready to shave it, because all the way along this edge it will pop a hair. No worries. These are the original scales. You can see the logo design there. That's the original. And these are the new scales. These are buffalo horn. This is what the customer supplied to me with the pins, Bullseye pins that we've polished. They're all polished smooth. And these buffalo scales look really nice, natural, understated, chunky, a nice chunky end there. As I say, I don't have to shave test this razor because I know it's sharp, but I just fancied testing the Samuel Pearson out. If you're watching, John from Melbourne, nice and sharp, buttery smooth. Along the toe, the point, but up to there it was like full of nibbles and quite black, and as you can see it's almost perfect. So I think that's testament to a good razor maker, good quality steel. usually I can turn a job round like this in a day. And sometimes it depends on if we've got any ongoing projects or a backlog of restoration work. I've done quite a few 7-day sets. And they can take up to a week to restore fully. The postal system in Slovenia is also really very good. For example, I'll be posting this out to John in Melbourne first thing Monday morning. And you'll probably get it within 7 days. The fastest delivery time up to date was to a customer in America. And that just took 4 days from door to door. There you go, so there's a shave test over with. So that's your new razor, John. The pivot's quite tight, as you can see it's not dropping. I hope you enjoy using your new razor. Bye for now, thanks for watching, John, bye.